Yo, what's up, you guys? You saw what the title has said. You saw what the title just said. We got this. And this. Oh my god. Well, this. These are the mozzarella sticks. Oh my god, why is it? You see that? And I got an Oreo milkshake! Yay! They didn't give me no straw for some reason. They gave me a spoon. Oh my god, this is so exciting. This is the chicken sandwich. Oh, it's very hot. Guys, I usually don't do this. I usually put this on the side, but let's just do it for the fun. Okay guys, let's try out their new chicken sandwich, and there's bacon added. Cheers. Hold up, before I take a bite, get something to eat because, or pause the video because it's gonna be really nice if we eat with each other, so go get something to eat. So pause the video right now, and now let's dig in. You got something to eat? Did you? Okay, good. Oh. Oh, that was pretty hot, but it's good. See this, guys? The orange shade. What? Here we go, guys. These are the mozzarella sticks. Let's just. Oh! Oh my god, that burnt. Oh, I'm good though. Okay, I like to do this, guys. Yeah, guys. I like to try chicken sandwiches while I was 7 years old. I'm now 10, and like 2 or 3 months, I'm gonna be 11. So I know, like, it brings back memories. Like every time when we get McDonald's or Burger King, we could get like little chicken sandwiches that we could just get some. And for me, that was everything. And my first chicken sandwich that I tried was Popeyes. KFC was good. So we went to a different Sonic, but it had no parking lots. So we went to this location and we finally got here. Oh no, guys. There's a car. Oh my god, okay. Guys, I'm pretty scared of these people because they don't like to be on camera. The chicken sandwich is pretty good. I don't know if you guys can hear the lady speaking. It's a white car by us. So this is how we went to a different Sonic and we got no parking because it was packed. Well, this one car, we found a great parking lot, but this one car just came up, and I don't know. This one black car just came up and got me really angry and stressed, but we finally went here like out of nowhere. This location just been found, and I was super happy like that we've now found it. Yeah, guys, I'm almost done. My chicken sandwich. Oh, we're tasty. I don't know if you guys saw the person. Bye.
Thank you. Why do you want to buy mine? I didn't like onions.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
How's the rest?
Oh.
Because this is the last bite.
This is my mom's grilled cheese bacon.
Grilled steak and onions.
Grilled steak and onions. I don't really eat onions, but...
Grilled steak and onion, bacon, grilled cheese.
Okay.
I don't know.
And we're gonna try this. So we got this tater tot. Wait, I'm gonna put these down because I dropped the ketchups earlier. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, the replacement drink.
You guys hear the lady? Well, guys, I gotta get going. Wait. This is what I like the best in a chicken sandwich. Guys. Well, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Oh, well, have a good night, guys.